Remember the days when people actually went to theaters to watch movies? Then came television, and slowly it took over our daily life. At the time, everyone debated, is TV good for us or bad for us? And now, haven't we handed over that spot to social media? Think about it. How many of us can go even a few minutes without checking our phones? It's become such a big part of life. But have you ever stopped to wonder, with all its benefits, could social media also have a dark side? Social media is amazing, no doubt. It's where big companies market their products. It's given small businesses a chance to shine on a global stage. It even plays a huge role in today's economic growth. And honestly, isn't it amazing how easily we can connect with relatives living abroad? Plus, it keeps us updated on everything happening around us. But here's the real question. If social media can do so much good, why do we keep hearing stories of people losing money and falling for scams? Could it be because they believe everything they see online? Have you seen those viral videos promising unbelievable returns, like those ones that claim if you invest just 21,000 you will get 15 lakhs by the end of the month, and they will even throw in a picture of finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman to make it look legit. Tempting, right? But let's be honest, does that sound real to you? These fake videos are everywhere on social media. Sometimes they even use images of the Reserve Bank governor or other big financial leaders. But let's not rush into anything just because it looks convincing. Investing should never be based on flashy videos or viral posts. Always check the facts first. And what about those posts that claim you can get tax benefits by buying property in a senior citizen's name, or ones that promise discounts on registration fees? We have all seen them, but are they really true? So how do you stay safe and protect your hard-earned money from all these scams? It might seem tricky, but there are some really simple and effective steps you can follow, which we are going to break down in detail in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So step number 1, confirm the information before believing it. Have you ever come across a post claiming that the Reserve Bank or the government has announced some new benefit or scheme? It might sound exciting, but did you stop to check if it's actually true? Here's the best way. Visit the official websites of these institutions yourself. If the claim is from the Reserve Bank, check the Reserve Bank's official website. If it's from the Finance Ministry, check the official page. It's always better to be sure than to fall for fake news. Remember, not everything on social media is accurate, even if it looks official. Step number 2, watch videos closely. Look for odd details, because videos can be really convincing, right? But have you ever noticed something just a little off? Maybe the signature isn't quite right, or the speech has unnatural pauses. Some of these videos are created or edited using artificial intelligence. But here's a secret. No matter how advanced AI gets, it leaves behind small clues if you watch closely and patiently. So protecting yourself from scams isn't about being paranoid. It's about staying alert and not believing everything you see online. Remember, not everything that looks real is real. So next time you see an important announcement video, just take a moment. Don't just scroll past. Ask yourself, could this really be genuine? Step number 3, beware of clicking suspicious links. So how often do you get those random WhatsApp messages or SMS that promises gift or free money if you just click a link? It sounds tempting, doesn't it? But let's be real. Clicking those links is risky. They might steal your personal info or even drain your bank accounts. Would you really risk your security for something that sounds way too good to be true? The safest thing, just don't click. It's better to be safe than sorry. Step number 4, guard your personal details. Never share them carelessly. Ever been asked for your OTP, Aadhaar details, or bank info through a message or link? Just pause and think. Do you know why they need it? Sharing these sensitive details without a second thought can open the door to identity theft or financial loss, especially OTPs. They are basically the keys to your account. Isn't it smarter to keep this information private and only share it when you're 100% sure? Step number 5. Use strong security measures for your accounts. When was the last time you changed your passwords? Are your passwords strong enough with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols? And do you have two-factor authentication enabled? It's that extra layer of protection. Even if someone guesses your password, they still need a code from your phone. Also, avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks like banking. And before you install a new app, check the permissions it's asking for. Why leave your phone vulnerable when it's so easy to protect? Step number 6. Do your own research for authenticity. Whenever you see something suspicious on social media, don't just believe it right away. Take a minute to Google the news or fact check websites. These tools can help you figure out what's real and what's just another scam. Wouldn't you rather spend a few minutes double checking than lose your hard-earned money? Step number 7. If you face trouble, don't stay silent. Report it. If you ever fall victim to a scam or you notice false information spreading online, don't handle it alone. There's a cybercrime helpline you can call. Just dial 1930 or talk to someone knowledgeable and trustworthy about it. Reporting these issues doesn't just help you, it can protect others too. Isn't that the smart thing to do? So what's the final takeaway from this video? So yes, social media is powerful. It connects us, informs us, and entertains us. But it can also mislead and trap us if we are not careful. So next time you see a too good to be true offer or announcement, just ask yourself, is this really true? Should I trust this without checking? Protecting your money starts with being alert, patient, and cautious. And when it comes to making big financial decisions, a certified financial planner can provide trusted, personalized advice tailored to your goals. After all, isn't your hard-earned money worth that little extra effort? If this video helped you stay informed and stay safe, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips like this. And hey, if you're ready to make smart money moves and need a little expert help, click the link in the description below to book a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners. Stay safe, stay smart, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.